one of the benefits from Creator Studios is you can schedule to post up your content in Instagram for free, because while you're actually using some of the third-party software, you might need to pay. So first of all, you must come to the business page. Okay, come to your Facebook business page. All right, and then on your left, you see there's a manage page. You have to scroll down to look for publishing tools. After you click on the publishing tools, and then on your left, you will see under tools the Creator Studios. So you just need to click on the Creator Studio. This is a Creator Studios dashboard. Alright, this is a Creator Studio dashboard. I'm just created this page. Once you come into the Creator Studios, you can see a Facebook icon and Instagram icon. Alright, so how are we going to schedule the post? Okay, now let's do it. First of all, you need to go to the Create Post. You click on the Create Post, Instagram feed. Okay, click on the Instagram feed. Here is the content. You need to add the poster. I'm just simply take the pictures, alright? But poster for Instagram, it should be square. The sizes, it should be 1080 pixel times 1080 pixel. So okay, if let's say now you want to schedule for 2 posts, like maybe 2 days later, and you want to, once you post up your content at Instagram, and at the same time you also want to schedule to Facebook, alright? What you need to do is, you scroll down a little bit, you see a post to Facebook. You need to click on the post to Facebook. Then you need to schedule. Okay, maybe you schedule 2 days later, and then you set your time. Alright. Okay, then after that, done. Alright, and then at the same time, if you want to schedule at the Instagram, so you click on here, you schedule. So same things, 2 days later, then it's 12 o'clock. Right? Then after that, you click schedule. Okay, after that, you can actually refresh. Okay, refresh. Okay, so you can see your content is being scheduled. And you can see also your Facebook content also under schedule. Alright, so this is under schedule. So means that you can actually control everything. You can actually manage your post scheduling at Creator Studio in one-stop stations. So you can do it in Instagram or do it in Facebook. But of course, you must link with the Instagram business account with the Facebook business page first before you try to do anything at Creator Studios. Alright, so I hope that you like this, you find this piece of information useful. Please feel free to go to the comments, okay, and download the social media post scheduling templates. Alright, happy posting content. If you like my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell. See ya!